Hello everybody and welcome to Current Matters with Hovannes, where I get inspired from current topics and then I share my perspective on business, technology and finances. Today we're going to start from another hot topic, and namely DogeCoin. I can imagine that many of you have seen some crazy screenshots or heard of people that made huge gains recently, either in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or by getting into speculative stocks like the GameStop stock or the AMC stock. And it's possible that some of you are wondering if you missed your chance somehow, and now you got a second chance with DogeCoin. So in this video, I'll try to share my opinion about the current DogeCoin price spike, but also about investing in cryptocurrencies in general. Please bear in mind that I'm not a professional financial advisor, and you should not take any of my words, my perspective, or my opinions as an investment advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. DogeCoin is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but with some differences. It was invented back in 2013, and since then, not much has been happening with it, except when it was used for some crowdfunding and charities. Last 2 weeks though, its price went from less than 0.8 cents of a dollar to 8 cents of a dollar. That's a huge increase in the price. That's 10 times increase, which means that if you had invested $1,000 before that increase 2 weeks ago, in just 2 weeks, you would go from 1,000 to 10,000 US dollars. So initially the price was pumped by some subreddit communities, and afterwards by Elon Musk's tweets. We all know though that mentions of cryptocurrencies by Elon Musk have been reflected with price spikes on the markets, but price spikes that happen just out of popularity of a stock or a cryptocurrency will usually not last, since the intrinsic value of the asset has not changed. So whether we are thinking about investing in shares or buying cryptocurrencies, we should be aware of that. When we talk about investing in DogeCoin, we should understand that when you invest in stocks or cryptocurrencies, there are two kinds of investments. Or rather, there is trading and there is investing. When you buy something because you think it has some intrinsic value and you intend to hold it for a long time, for many years for example, then you are investing in it. Or at least you are storing a part of your wealth in it. For example, when you buy gold. When you buy stocks or cryptocurrencies to sell them within a few hours, days, or even within a few weeks, then you're not investing, you are trading. That does not necessarily mean that that's something wrong or bad. Trading is a very important part of the financial markets and provides value investors with liquidity. But when you keep an asset for a few hours or days, the value of the underlying asset does not change. What changes is its price, how much people are willing to pay for it on that hour of that day, and that's it. When you invest in shares long term, you believe that the real value of the underlying asset will go up. For example, you're buying shares of an electrical car company, like Tesla, because you believe that the company is going to grow, sell more and more cars, make more and more profit, and therefore the share will be worth more long term. That's the reason why value investment is most of the time profitable long term, but trading is more like gambling. You can win big, but also lose big, especially if you do many trades or you lose leverage. Another important difference between value investment and trading is that value investment is a positive sum game and trading is a zero sum game. When you invest in a company and the company grows its profits by 100% in the next 5 years, everybody owning that share profits simply because the pie got bigger. When you are trading an asset, for you to double your money, somebody else has to lose that amount, because the value of an asset does not double in a day or a week, only its price. So the question is, what is buying a cryptocurrency? Be it Bitcoin or DogeCoin, is it investing or trading? Well, a cryptocurrency is a very special case because on one hand, it does not have an intrinsic value like gold or stocks. On the other hand, it might have some value if people decide to use it as a store of value in the future, or as a form of currency. So if you believe that DogeCoin is going to become the currency of the world and you buy it and you are holding it long term, then for you, it's investing and not trading. It is probably a high risk and high reward investment, but it's still investing. But if you buy it to sell it in a few days to someone else because you think there is a hype and the price is going to go higher, then you are trading or speculating for the short term. But is it worth it? That's something that only you can decide, but I'll give you my perspective on that. I don't like gambling or speculating. Unless you do it in volume and for a long time, I don't see how I could earn money on that consistently. Plus, I don't like the fact that for me to earn money, somebody else has to lose money. Therefore, I don't like speculation. You call me sentimental, it's fine, but I prefer investing in investments that are a positive sum game and where there is a very good chance that everyone wins eventually. But what about investing in DogeCoin? What if you genuinely believe that DogeCoin or some other cryptocurrency has a real value and it's going to get more and more valuable in the future because people are going to find out its real value? While I don't have any cryptocurrency positions, I have been trying to understand if any of the cryptocurrencies that exist today have some real value in them, or it's all just a bubble that's going to burst soon. And to be honest, I don't have an answer, and probably nobody else does. Still, I have an opinion, and I'm going to share my opinion with you. Because it's still a very risky investment, I have been thinking about investing 1% of my portfolio into Bitcoin. The idea is that if I lose 1% of my portfolio, it won't hurt me much. On the other hand, if Bitcoin becomes a reserve currency or a store of value, and everybody starts investing a part of their wealth in Bitcoin, Bitcoin could go 10x. It could go even 100x. So by risking 1% of my portfolio, I might double my total wealth. If you are thinking about investing in cryptocurrencies, you have to pick a winner. There are so many cryptocurrencies, and I don't think that all of them are going to be successful in the future, if any. So when it comes to DogeCoin, I have less expectations from DogeCoin compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency. It has a limited supply, and it's the most adopted one. Ethereum has the smart contracts. The only actual advantage I see with DogeCoin is its small block times, because a block needs only 1 minute to be verified, which means that the transactions can be verified within a minute. But do I believe that DogeCoin can be adopted as a currency, as a real currency? I don't know. I think that 1 minute is still long to be used as a currency. I believe more in cryptocurrencies being used as a store of value or big transactions, and less as a currency that you just exchange momentarily like you use with regular currency today. So if I had to choose a winner, I wouldn't choose DogeCoin. It could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, combination of those, or some other newer cryptocurrency that would offer better technology. So personally, I'm not going to invest in DogeCoin. So if you decide that you want to invest in DogeCoin or any other cryptocurrency, please try to understand what you are investing into. Never invest in stuff that you don't understand. Would you trust your grandparents to invest in stuff they don't understand? Then why should you? Educate yourself before investing in anything. Understand the difference between trading and value investing, and if investing or trading in DogeCoin suits your financial goals, then go for it, but that's your decision. Please remember that most traders lose money and only some of them make money. So think twice before you jump on the trading train. If you invest in a cryptocurrency, invest only what you can afford to lose. Whether you are trading or investing, have in mind that the probability of a cryptocurrency crashing is higher than of a gold, for example, that has been around for thousands and thousands of years. If you are buying it long term, don't have it in some exchange account. Withdraw it and save it as a hard copy, not even on your laptop. Many people and big cryptocurrency exchanges have been hacked multiple times in the past, and if the cryptocurrency gets stolen because of its anonymity, it's gone forever. If you're buying to trade, have in mind that the later you come to the party, the higher the probability you will be late. Yes, sure, it could go higher, but it could start going down just after you buy it. So this is what I have to say on the matter, and if I do more videos on the topic, I will add the links to the description, so check out the description in case I have already posted more videos. By the way, if you want me to dive deep into any of the discussed topics and make a video about it, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you are informed immediately when another video comes out. In the description, you'll also find the link to my other channel where I will be sharing my experience on my journey to financial independence. This was Current Matters with Hovhannes. Thank you for watching and see you next time.